So here's my Goodman air conditioner running on a warm day. It's actually blowing out quite warm air. Suction line's actually getting pretty cold. Might cycle off here in a few minutes. Set to 71. Yeah. Thanks for 300 subscribers, by the way. I will have a 300 sub special coming up soon. Which is a video that has to do with my Cool King window air conditioner. I'm sure you can guess it. But it's getting pretty dirty. I'm gonna have to do a cleaning soon. I'll have to ask. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow or something, but this is its first startup in a couple of weeks. So it did have that rough, grindy startup from the compressor. It's a really nice day. In the back, it's really bad. Grill is shaky. You can see that. I don't have any coil cleaner at my mother's house, but what I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with the brush to knock all the big stuff off and then hose it out. And also get all the leaves and pine needles out of the bottom of the unit. So I don't think this thing has really ever been cleaned. But it's still throwing out a lot of air. It doesn't seem to be choked up at all. But it's working. It's getting pretty cold. For once. Oh yeah. Little Goodman 13 seer running. Might do a startup later today, might not, but here's the Goodman. Here's the neighbor's Goodman. It's not running, hasn't ran in a while. I think the first startup it's ever gonna have is when it at least, at the most, gets about 90 degrees outside. That's probably when it's gonna start up. But once I do get a startup and shut down, that'll complete my, will almost complete my startups. I still have quite a few to do, because I know quite a few units around my area, so. Same with the, college heat pumps. The 2 Rude Achiever heat pumps. I'll get a startup and shut down of those in cooling mode. Fortunately, I didn't get the 2014 Rude Achiever heat pump starting up in heat mode, but I at least got the 2016 one starting up, the RP14. I did a video of these last night, not running, and at night, so. The 13's here from 2009. This one's really clean though. Probably because it's not used all that often. But what I'm going to attempt to do with this one is I'm going to attempt to take off the entire cage. Because it looks like you can slide these off intermediately to separate the cage. So that's probably what I'm going to do. Might do it today, might do it tomorrow. Might not be able to do it at all. But it'll happen at some point. Here's lukewarm. That's actually getting pretty cold. 2011 3-ton. The 2009 2.5 ton. Yeah, to find Goodmans with this style from the newer years that have Bristol reciprocating compressors isn't all that common. I found a 2013 Goodman that actually had a Bristol recip. I didn't expect to see that, but here's a video of it running. So it's pulling off the house. It's working well. So yeah. Thanks for watching.